You know how you be feeling like on that little first date or whatever, and you like, oh my goodness, this could be the one. That's how I feel about this wig right now. Like, baby.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, it can't be replaced.
The unit that I am so in love with and I'm going to be discussing with you all today is from Kriyya hair. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that right. And I have their 13x4 Jerry Curly brown highlight colored wig. I have 150% density and I have it in 24 inches. This is the inside of the cap construction, and you see that brown, beautiful, rich hue on the lace, everything. Do you see that hairline? It came straight out of the package, pre-plucked, just amazingly. But of course, since I'm extra, I decided to go in and pluck her up a little bit more so I can get it to fit my hairline properly. Y'all, straight out of the package. I did wash this wig, of course, but just straight out of the package before I manipulated the hairline, it was so nice. So if you are a beginner and you don't even want to tweeze hairlines, or you're just inexperienced, I definitely suggest this company because their hairline looks amazing straight out of the package.
I'm just trying to check you out. I'm just trying to see what you about. Let me know what's up, I'm in route. I ain't trying wild to stress you out. Come swing my way for a little bit. I'm just trying to link, it's been a minute. My crib like about 6-ish. Too deep, I'm diving in.
The install process was effortless on this wig, but I did really want to go in and perfect this wig because I knew it was a unit that was worth my time. I didn't have to do too much finessing. The wig cap that I chose is a medium, and my head circumference is about 21.5 to 22 inches. So I didn't really need to like trim too much by my ears, which I appreciate. What I'm saying is, if you have a smaller head or a medium-sized head, go ahead and get that medium cap construction, and you're going to have a wig that suits your hairline almost perfectly.
All I want is you, don't be too rude. All I want is you, I need something new, girl. We can take a trip on the west side, if you down to live on my side. All I need is you, if you down to ride. When I look at you, guess I got a type. Yeah, from A to Z, you know I choose you. In the summertime, you my new boo.
I have come to a point where I'm a little bored with the products that I use to adhere my wig down. So if you guys have any product suggestions for me, or anything that you would like to see me try on my channel, please let me know down below in the comment section. Now this wig, y'all see the hairline. I cannot stress how impressed I am with the hairline on this wig. And I did go in and add a little flick of the wrist to get her together even more, you know, pat myself on the back. This wig look bomb. Okay, the melt process was effortless. It was practically melted before I even added this elastic band. But you know the drill. Go ahead and add that elastic band and you're going to have a seamless frontal application. Cousins, I just wanted to say, do you see that hairline? Besides the little bit of crustiness that you know got to be glued leaves, baby, do you see that melt? Can y'all please give me a thumbs up and share this video with anyone who needs to know how to adhere a lace wig down, or you know, someone who would love a bomb curly wig like this. because, you know, I feel like I need the recognition. I slayed the hell out of this wig.
That's on God. Girls gon' wild, but all I see is you. On God, girls gon' wild, but all I see is you. Yeah, they say that couples were made to fuss. I say that love songs were made for us. Relationships nowadays just a death sentence. Ashes to ashes and dust to dust. I think that trying is just a must for us. Exploring this life is just what we're supposed to do. You're a temptation, can I get next to you? We do it right, something like the Huxtables. We shine that light like we clearing cliff. You jump off the edge, bet I'm off the cliff. Got that ghetto love on some Bonnie and Clyde shit. If we rob the bank, you gon' spark the fifth. Life is a journey and we made it this far. Love's a battlefield, you and I in this war. If you roll my blunt and I like the spliff, or I bust a rhyme, could you be my spliff star? You got the kind of love niggas go on licks for. Edible lingerie, things I'm trying.
Okay, I just wanted to leave this portion in voiceover form, but I just got to talk. Do y'all see this? Do you see it? Like, I mean, can we really get into this? You know how you be feeling like on that little first date or whatever, and you like, oh my goodness, this could be the one. That's how I feel about this wig right now. Like, baby. Okay, I'm capping. I rarely feel like that on the first date, but you get where I'm coming from, okay? This wig is bomb. Let me give you some 360s, okay?
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't.
I have to brace myself and turn myself down because I'm hella excited about this hair, although it's late at night, the usual. Anyways, let's hop right into my overall thoughts on this hair from, I believe you pronounce it Kriyya hair. It's my first time working with this company, but let me tell you, the customer service has been A1. Y'all can tell by my facial expressions and me being a little bit more extra that I'm loving this hair. This hair is gorgeous. Like, this is one of those wigs I'm like, I don't know if she gonna let her go because it's so bomb. I love the texture, and I am all the way here for the highlights in this wig. It's just beautiful, but it's really the lace for me. Like, it's everything, okay? The whole wig is everything. It fit my head so properly, and we just gonna go in on this lace really quickly. I appreciate how the lace had a brown hue to it. Maybe if you are of a lighter skin complexion, you will choose a different lace color. But if you are brown skinned to dark brown, chocolate, you are going to love the lace on this wig because it melted. I didn't put any lace tint. I think the knots came bleached. I'm not for certain. They look like it though. So I didn't bleach the knots or anything, and I didn't add any foundation or anything to this lace. And y'all see this? Y'all see this? It just melted. So instantly I became a fan just by working with the lace on this wig, because since COVID, I noticed the quality on lace wigs have went down. So when I come across a wig that has a great quality lace, I gotta annotate that. Like, I gotta elaborate on how good the quality of the lace is. But moving right along into the texture. Do I have to say it? Not really. Unless you are new to my channel. If you new, hey girl, hey. And to my boos, my cousins, y'all know how I feel about curly hair. Love me some big divalicious curly hair. Now the density on this wig is 150%, and y'all will have to let me know whether you prefer how this wig looked before I add product to it, or now that it's tamed down some with the product. I actually love the before, but I'm vibing with this as well. So when I tell y'all, I'm impressed by this company. I am so impressed. This is day 2 and it's the end of the day. So I literally had this wig on for 2 days now. And I didn't have to do nothing today. Yesterday I wore this wig to the gym. So I didn't put any product on it or anything. I just wore it out. I was in love in the mirror, feeling myself, dancing, Y'all know how I do when I'm feeling myself. I was cutting up, okay? Cutting up. And today was really no different. Now that I added the product to it, I'm still absolutely in love with this wig. For this to be a jerry curl texture, I feel like the curls are very relaxed, but I'm guessing it's because it's 24 inches. So when your wig is, the longer basically your curly wig is, the more loose the curls will be. So I'm assuming that's why it's not like the jerry curl texture that I'm usually used to. It's not as coarse, basically, is what I'm trying to say. So I didn't get any tangling or anything. It's only day 2, but I didn't get any tangling. I didn't get a lot of shedding when I was manipulating the curls or anything. I put my brush up, but I remember earlier that I didn't get a lot of shedding. I didn't really get any shedding when I washed it either. So that's always a good indication that I've came across some quality hair. As far as the longevity, y'all know my hands be flowing through some hair. And I will say this about curly hair. Curly hair is often what you make of it. I feel like it can last for like at least like 2 years if you really care for it. I have a curly wig from a different company that I've had for like 4 years now. And when I tell you that wig is still going strong, it's still going strong. And it's a jerry curl texture as well, but it's like more kinky, but still. So basically, I'm saying all that. I'm all over the place because it's late and I'm tired. But I'm saying all that to let you guys know that I feel like this hair is good quality hair, especially for the price. I'll have all the links. I'll have a coupon code and all the information that you would need to know on this hair and this company in my description box. So be sure to check there. I don't think I got much else to talk about other than, you know, y'all letting me know down below and us having a conversation in the comment section, like how y'all feeling about this hair. It's so beautiful. Like, I love the length, but I feel like if you got like a 12-inch, it would be amazing as well. And a 12-inch, I believe it starts at like about $100. So check that out. As always, if you aren't a part of my family, I would love to have you as one of my cousins. You can do that by subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate you guys. I'm like planning a giveaway. So I don't know, would y'all like a hair giveaway, a makeup blast giveaway, or a combination? Let me know down below like some things that you guys would like to see in an upcoming giveaway, because I'm planning that for you guys. And I just want to thank y'all for rocking with me. I'm tired and I'm hungry. I'm gonna go. Thank y'all. Thank y'all for watching. Mwah. Bye. Love y'all. I ain't even gonna act up. I'm just gonna say, get into this lace. Get into this lace. Hey. Okay, I'm gonna go. Bye.